Hey guys, it's Sam and today I'm back with the OnePlus 6
unboxing,
and in this video I will be pretty much talking about the design thing and the camera thing because that's what everyone wants to know about. So let's get started. And here's the red theme provided by the OnePlus and that three cover provided with the OnePlus 6 and some paper booklets which we never read but they are always there with every other device. There's the power cable with the clips, good quality. The juice box dash charger is here with the 5 volt and 4 ampere. That's cool. And after slipping out that slip, now you can see how the phone is designed from the outside. And then we boot the device for the first time. It welcomes us with a hello, and after pressing the button hello, we enter into the setup. The basic setup with every Google phone we need to do is there, and then we connect to the Wi-Fi and finish the setup. And there's the new face unlock, which is ready these days. So we got my brother in the face of the face unlock, and now you can see in the slow motion how fast it is. That was 60 fps slow motion, you saw that. And the fingerprint detection was great, you know that. And now I'm moving to the camera thing. So now guys, this is the 4K recording from the OnePlus 6 device, and the voice is also recorded from the inbuilt mic in the phone. You can see the sample and judge by yourself how is the camera. I think it's pretty good. So guys, this is the camera sample from the front camera of the OnePlus 6 device, and you can judge by yourself. It says they have EIS, but EIS never works as well as OIS. So you can judge how is the camera quality. It's 1080p by the way. And here's the poll. Tell me how was the video samples. And now we're moving to the photography center. Here are the samples.
If you want to, just let it on you. I say.
So the poll is there. You can vote for the one you like. And the low light photography was really crazy, really cool, really good, and the bokeh was also pretty awesome. Yeah, I'm going there. Okay, so we took some shots from normal to the 2x. The 2x really make them a little bit softer side, but they are still okay. So there are more sample shots for you. You can see the dynamic range and all, and this is most probably end to the video. I hope you like the video. I pretty much like this whole device. My brother is using it. It's a really cool device. I will recommend to buy it. And one thing I will also recommend you to do is like the video, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon, and I will see you in my next video. I'm gonna be pretty much late because blah I wanna talk about. So guys, this is the recording from the English talking English, and भूल गया क्या बोलना. बस ना ठीक है.